Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public Minecraft server. First, decide on your server type, such as vanilla, spigot, or paper. Next, ensure your computer meets the necessary hardware requirements for smooth operation. Then, download the official server files from the Minecraft website. Finally, prepare your system for the initial setup process. Once you have the server files, you'll need to configure them. Open the server.properties file to customize various settings. Here, you can adjust the game mode, difficulty, and the maximum number of players. It's also crucial to set the server's port, typically 25565, and enable online mode for player authentication. To make your server accessible to others, you must enable public access. This involves configuring your router for port forwarding, specifically for port 25565. Additionally, add an exception to your computer's firewall for the Minecraft server application. Finally, find your public IP address, which players will use to connect. Maintaining your server is key for a great experience. Regularly back up your world files and configurations to prevent data loss. Consider installing plugins or mods to enhance gameplay and add new features. Always monitor server performance and player activity to ensure stability and address any issues promptly, keeping your community happy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.